Hey, you're a clever girl. Can't say so much for your brother. Can't say the same for Jer-Bear. Hey? Can't say the same for Jerry. Hi, Moo. Clever girl. He's such a sook. I don't think he even knows where you are, Moo Moo. Listen to him. Listen to him, Moo. Go and tell him to come in. You go tell him to come in. Hey? Much cooler in here, isn't it? Come on, Jerry. Oh dear. Don't know how well you fit in that stable. Obviously, you fit well enough to turn around. Quite relaxed, aren't you, Moo? Hey, darling. Maisie doesn't want to leave. I think she's realised this is nice and cool. Well, maybe she might leave to go and see where. No, she doesn't. She doesn't want to. Okay, apparently anywhere's good for a bum scratch. Really, Maisie? Really? Oh, Lordy. Maisie! I'm glad these stables are strong enough. That big booty. Sorry about Chico yapping in the background. He's on the back deck. Oh, Moo. So we're just doing a little bit more donkey training today. I'm trying to get Wolfie and Charlie used to being tied up because they do not like being tethered. And we haven't done huge amounts with this, and they just don't like it and they don't relax. So this was a good opportunity for me to tie up Wolfie and wait for him to relax. You can see Mum there eating and Charlie eating, and Wolf was quite happy to eat his feed and wasn't tense or anything. So that was really, really good, because out of the two donkeys, Wolfie seems to be the scaredest. Absolutely petrified when it comes to having their feet done. We have to sedate, or if we don't sedate, it takes a very long time and we can't always get all their feet done on one visit from our barefoot trimmer. So yeah, we just have to take it slowly with these guys. We don't rush anything. And now you can see it's Charlie's turn, and he gets very stressed as well, but he's not so much scared. Charlie's more about domination. He doesn't like the fact that he is tied up, and I think he thinks, you know, he wants to be gone and he wants to be the more dominant one, rather than, you know, he feels, doesn't want to feel submissive, if that's the right word, for being tied up. So I was just getting him to walk a couple of steps and loosen up the lead line so it wasn't taut, and then he got some carrot as a reward, and I didn't keep him here very long at all. I just wanted him to relax that lead line so that he was just standing there and realised that it was okay before I undid him. So now it's time for paddock rotation. So Jade's here helping me today, and the first one up is Bert. You can see him coming in. It's a slow process because it's one by one, because they have to walk a little bit on the road, and it's not safe to do two at a time with one person. It's just better to do it this way. There's Bertie Bum on his way up the driveway. And there's Maisie watching them all come. So I might just play some music, guys, and let you watch all Ronnie's herd have their paddock rotation.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the news. restless